do for sine now? There are three steps we have to carry out to get the angles for sine. The first thing is start numbering from 0 to 4. That is between angle 0 to angle 90. We begin from 0. Here we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, and then 4. This is the first step. Then the second step is for us to divide each of these numbers by 4. So this becomes divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4. Here 3 divided by 4 and 4 divided by 4. This is the second step. Then the third step is for us to take the square root of each of these values and get the final answer. And the final answer will be the angle for each of these special angles. Okay? So now taking the square root of this now, square root of 1 over 4, square root of 2 over 4, square root of 3 over 4, and square root of 4 over 4. Okay? So let's begin with this. 0 divided by 4 is 0. And the square root of 0 gives us 0. So our answer here is going to be 0, meaning that sine 0 is 0. Okay? So this is the answer. Moving on to the next one. We have square root of 1 over square root of 4. This is the same. If you agree with me, if we have square root of 1 over square root of 4, this is the same as saying we have square root of 1 over square root of 4, where we have that the square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 4 is 2. So here, our answer is 1 over 2. So what this means is sine 30 is 1 over 2. I'm just writing out this here as a guide, okay? So moving on to the next one, we have 2 over 4. So let's simplify square root of 2 over 4. We can take this in the lowest term and this becomes 1 over 2. This is the same as saying square root of 1 over square root of 2. The square root of 1 is 1 and yes, 2 doesn't have a perfect square, so this is 1 over root 2. So this gives us 1 over root 2, okay? So what this means is sine 45 is 1 over root 2, okay? You can use the calculator to confirm that and see that we're correct. Moving on, sine 60, here we have 3 over 4. So this is the same thing as saying root 3 is the same thing as saying what? Root 3 because it doesn't have a perfect square. All over square root of 4 is 2. So our answer here is root 3 over 2. Moving on, we have square root of 4 over 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. And the square root of 1 gives us what? 1. So we are done with the sine. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 30 is 1 over 2. Sine 45 is 1 over root 2. And sine 60 is root 3 over 2. While sine 90 is 1. So this is how you find the special angles for sine.